Time to pay another visit to one of our favorite projects. We have a nice big deck like this coming up this year, but I just love how this came out so much, especially now that it's seasoned. I know it's a little dirty, but it just, there's something about it when it's brand new, but there's something you know, nice about letting something become used and lived in a little bit. So we've got tree branches coming in and a little bit of leaf debris and stuff, but see, I caught the edges of all these boards with a fillet or a round to match the edges, and so now you can see that putting all of the ends on the same kind of seam, it was more difficult to see them when they were brand new, but now they catch a little dirt and stuff. So despite the fact that it's just dirt, it just makes that alignment pop out a little bit. And we got a little bit of algae and stuff here because the sun never gets here, but she chooses some shady plants for her boxes, and got this beautiful hardwood furniture set with Adirondack chairs, a rocker, and patio stuff. I think this is the kids table, but we had the switch here for lights. You can see those are fun, and everything's just nice, and just checking the strength and, you know, rigidity of everything, and it's just really good still. A little bit of gray in that larch. It's just nice. I think it just gives it that timelessness. Everything looks great when it's new. You just want to see how things come together when they're all done. We did add a handrail here that she has to add color to, and actually a pair. The other one was getting, I didn't have some choice pieces of like quarter sawn 4x6 when I made the original, so when I made her another one, I remade them both so that they were really nice pieces of just nice select specimens. But those are on there nice and tight. Those are in with ledger locks from over here, and I just added a little bit of torque to that, but everything here is real nice. These posts are all right in the ground 4 feet. All this guard, this guy goes right in the ground 4 feet. It's just the best way to do everything so that it's nice and strong. But just so happy with how this came out and how things are growing up around there, and what she's done with landscaping and planting stuff. In the dappled light, you get a fair amount. You get some sun. This is getting on later in the day here in June, so Dashy, he likes it there, hanging out in the shade. But I'm just really pleased with everything, and that's part of my service, is just to follow up, address any kind of oversight that may happen, which I try to limit. But once again, the stairs are cantilevered out, and there's no extra posts in the ground. It's just this post here, and I think there's one in the middle, and you can't see one at the corner, but the rigidity of these stairs is incredible. Anyway, you have to take my word for it, but it's not as much patting myself on the back as it is just checking in and enjoying the look of everything in the middle of summer. Well, it's not even quite summer yet. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.